Thanks for joining us, and what we're going to do here is kind of a Father's Day gift. This is something that we're going to build together. I'm going to keep this one, so thank you for helping us build this. So let's check this out. What is in this box?
Disney item?
It is
18 plus.
Oh, that's how many years? Here's our build number, 75276. And how many pieces?
647. That's kind of a lot.
Okay, so build number is 75276. Stormtrooper helmet. Recreate the sinister look of a Star Wars Stormtrooper helmet in Lego bricks with this collectible build-to-display model. Capture the iconic shape and details of the helmet with Lego elements plus graphic stickers. You'll need the skill level of an elite shock trooper to complete the task.
Wow.
Yeah. Then proudly display your creation at home, in the office, or wherever else you want to in the galaxy. That's actually where this is going to go. This is going to go in my office. Cool. So let's cover this box a little more in detail here.
It has Japanese on the side.
It does. It has some Japanese on the side. 18 plus. I'm going to keep this one, but we have a Stormtrooper here, and as we go around the side here, 40-year anniversary, and it says The Empire Strikes Back. So this must be the helmet from The Empire Strikes Back.
Yeah.
But it's a part of the helmet collection. There's several helmets you can order, and we'll probably end up doing some more of these at some point.
Yeah, for Father's Day.
This was a Father's Day gift, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. Let's try to figure out how we can get this open.
No, it's right here. Look, it's a thumb.
Oh, you're right. Push that in, and then we just pull it open. This needs to come out like that.
There.
Let's unbox it. So this is number 4. Number 1.
3. 5. That's it.
Here's the booklet. That's a pretty cool looking booklet. You're gonna use the booklet, right? This is really neat. Looks like we got everything.
Yep. Look, there's more. Yeah.
Oh, cool. It's got some lore.
Of the movie.
Here's our order. We got the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the pieces. Each bag. So this is the first bag. That kind of looks like the base of the head, and then you just add on to the head with 2 and 3. And then 4 and 5. Probably gonna have to do these in order.
We're making this thing.
Okay, so we're probably gonna have to maybe kind of do this all together because it doesn't look like we can do separate pieces and then put them together. We can try.
No, let's not do it.
You just want to do it all together?
Yeah.
So we'll do the organization here. There are 5 bags, and we're just gonna go from 1 to 5. We'll see what happens. Here's 1. First thing we do is we like to organize them in colors. On another note, one thing that I always mention is that there are 3 different ways that we can do this build. One is with the build guide. The other is with the app on the mobile. And the third is you can download the build instructions online at Lego's site.
Yep, I'm making this thing right now.
Okay. It looks perfect.
It's extra strong. Look, means it maybe has some durability. We're probably gonna get to the next bag pretty quick. It looks like a house, kind of. It looks like a tiny sauna or something like that. You sit down and like a bunch of this hot air comes in.
Yeah, that's a sauna.
Ooh, whatever it is.
Let me keep trying to organize these a little bit for you.
Next page.
Page number 10.
When this is finished, it's always impossible to break.
So are you at this part right here, step 8?
We are the champions. I wish you can like make a Stormtrooper head, but you can wear it on your head, like that thing. You can put it over your head.
You could actually put it on.
Yeah.
That would be cool. Lego makes some usable helmets.
Yeah.
Do we want a trade-off step?
Yeah.
We're gonna trade off here. Okay, I think you're next.
Look, see story. Wait a second. I know what it is. Supposed to do this.
Oh, good call.
You don't know where his face is yet. Wait, it's not the same. Wait, what? Oh, wait, I see it now. When you see that Star Wars head, you're gonna be amazed. Like, it was so cool, Lego. You made it where you can pick each version where you can put it on your head, or a version you can turn into a statue for you.
I agree.
And I challenge you to make a Stormtrooper helmet. It can be into a square, and then you can put it onto your head, cover your head.
So we finished packet 1, and this is what it looks like.
But we don't know where this piece is.
Oh, okay. So we've got a piece that is missing.
Oh, there.
It's probably right here.
Yeah, that probably makes sense.
I'm pretty sure this is right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Packet 2.
Packet 2. Let's get her open. Packet 2. This is going to be the stand for the helmet. You want to get this started?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this whole package.
Are you going to do the next one?
Yeah. I'm gonna spread these pieces out. Oh yeah, then you want to put them. That looks like leather. Look. Yeah. The next Lego set we're gonna do is for Father's Day. The next
Another one? It's going to be Father's Day every day. I like that. Yeah.
And then,
We need to do a Mother's Day one.
yeah, maybe. You know what I was thinking of? The next video would be, you know, the main vehicle, Chewbacca.
Millennium Falcon.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be epic. Dun, 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 dun. The robots in Star Wars have bad aim. For good reason. Heroes
Well,
always.
that way that the heroes can actually win.
Blast
Yeah.
you! You won't be giving us any more trouble.
Okay, well, we finished the second package, and this is what it looks like. We're guessing this is the back of the head.
It is the back of the head. The red piece is the front.
So do you want to open up the third? I will help you get it organized.
Look, this is the face.
Probably should have organized it by shape, maybe. You find everything you need?
Yeah, that's where an olive is. Where is... Oh, there's the middle of that. That looks right. Is that right? There it is. Eyebrows. Kind of right. No, it's me. It's not. It's not. I'm smart. I know. Got it. Here. Bam! Looks like he has a unibrow. A plus.
There is one Stormtrooper side of his helmet.
Yeah. Father's Day. I mean, you can do all the work you want to.
If it's Father's Day, you get to do all the work you want to.
I'm making this where he can build his whole baggage for himself, and then he can be a little more better building Lego.
Well,
I love you, Dad.
I love you.
It's a good father-son time.
It is some good father-son time.
Father-son time.
Father and son time.
I like it.
I like it too.
Father and son time.
Bum 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 bum.
Did you mean Darth Vader?
Yeah, I think so. I think there is a Darth Vader.
Great.
We need that one, don't we?
Yeah, just for
Don't make me destroy you.
Put that here. There. Put this here. I see there's already a sticker on there. Looks like there is. Oh, you're talking about that. Okay.
This is a piece that looks kind of like this.
Maybe it's in the packet. Wait. No, it's this. It's this. Wow, now it's finished.
You want to touch it right there?
Yeah, okay. I think you put it the wrong way.
It's good, buddy. You got it.
Look at this.
All right,
It looks like
check
he's
that
crying.
out.
It looks like he's crying, kind of.
That is really cool. That was the third package. Now we need to do the fourth.
Look at his bald head.
Number 4. Always want to make sure there's nothing left in the packages before you set them aside. I normally organize these by color, but since there's so many white pieces, I've been trying to organize them by the size.
They have these 2 tanks around their face. They then pressurize it into a good amount, puts it in the suit, and you can breathe. They're in the future, I know, but how can you make a lightsaber hot as the sun?
Maybe it's from another planet a long time ago,
No.
far, far away galaxy.
Yeah, you gotta put atoms in there. charge it up. You know, when you cook air so hot, it turns into, I think it's made of plasma. There's just one problem with it. How do you put plasma into a stick-shaped item? It's impossible. Probably would just be a great line, just going across the whole universe, like one swing in the universe.
That sounds powerful.
Who would win, actually? Darth Vader and Master Chief. Who would win? I'll say Master Chief. He gets a speed boost while holding it.
Master Chief doesn't have the Force, man.
He has a suit. It's
Force proof?
no. How can Darth Vader force choke him and he can't even get him right on time? You have to have a good reaction time.
Well, one thing about the Force is that they can actually see things before it happens, so the reaction time is even better. I don't know. I think I would vote on Darth Vader.
You know who would win? Master Chief. Now, let's see the face now.
Oh my.
Woo!
Package 4 is complete. There is one package left. Dun, 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 dun. We have one bag left to go, and that is bag number
5.
So make sure that everything's out of the bag. Bag number 5. Here we go.
Bag number 5, and then,
You know where that goes.
dun, 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 dun.
Do you want to put on this piece? Whoa!
Still have some.
There's more to do, but man, that looks cool.
I think that to be finished with this.
That's just so cool.
Cool that thing is. You just put that right here. Do that and you copy it 2 times. Look at this. Looks epic.
Guys, we finished.
He is amazing.
Now, this is awesome, and this is going to go in my office. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to me, right?
Yep.
And then Happy Father's Day to all the other fathers out there. We did get this video put together a little late. Hopefully not too late. Super cool. I'm super happy about this. Lego is fairly accurate about the age that you need to be to put these things together, because this one said 18 plus. Although I think it could be done by someone maybe over 10, maybe 11, 12 years old. This was fairly difficult to put together. I think it would be a lot easier if you use the app, because you can rotate the pieces and see exactly how it needs to be put together. These build guides are kind of hard sometimes. I love it, and thank you for helping me with it. I know it was really hard because we had to put it together sequentially, so we couldn't actually break up the different bags and do different bags and then put it together. I actually ended up having to do kind of most of this myself. I love you. I appreciate that. We'll see you guys next time.
Be sure to like and subscribe. Keep the fun going.